Hi. Well, today I thought maybe I'd do a little comparison of Colt and Smith & Wesson 22 target revolvers. Now this one here is a Colt Officer's Model Match 5th issue and 22 long rifle. And the other one is a Smith & Wesson Model 17-4. The Colt was made in the early 60s. The Smith & Wesson probably from the 1970s. As you can see, the Colt is a bit bigger. This gun's built on the same frame as the Colt Python and Trooper, while the Smith & Wesson is built on Smith & Wesson's K-frame, which is a bit smaller. And the Smith & Wesson probably has a better trigger pull, but the action on the Colt is probably a little bit smoother on the double action. Smith & Wesson actions are known for being a little more durable, but still you'd have to shoot one of these Colts an awful lot to get it out of time. The Colt is heavier. The grips are shaped slightly differently, but they're about the same size. That's all pretty much personal preference. This particular Smith & Wesson does have the target hammer and target trigger, which the Colt has a wide target hammer, or wider anyway, yeah, a wide target hammer, but it has a fairly narrow trigger. So anyway, I'm going to load these things up and I'm going to shoot a few rounds with them. The current prices on these guns are pretty much comparable. The Colt will, in the same condition, will probably run you a little more than a Smith & Wesson Model 17, but not a whole lot. The Colt Officer's Model isn't cheap, but it's at least one where the prices haven't gone completely crazy like they have on the Diamondbacks and the Pythons. Okay, let's try the Colt. Both of them are just a real pleasure to shoot. You really couldn't go wrong with either one of these, or both. Now I'll run another cylinder full through both of them. See if I can keep it right up close to the camera here where you can get a good view of them. Colts first. Then the Model 17. I just thought this would make a good comparison video because these revolvers are pretty similar in a lot of ways. And you couldn't go wrong with either one of them. Now if I had to make a choice between the two, my choice would be the Smith & Wesson Model 17. But like I said, you could not go wrong with either one of these. Both are excellent little target revolvers. Both of them are a pleasure to shoot. Get these markings to show up. Doesn't always want to focus very good. Both of them have excellent actions, excellent triggers. Like I said, you could not go wrong with either one of these. Well, thanks for watching.